This Jumbo Jenra, it's not our biggest, but it is the most high-tech. We've used the latest technology in supermarket and building construction. We have a lot of shops, dining options, mostly are homegrown brands to support, of course, the local economy of Paliteños. We have the best prices. We have a lot of promotions, especially for our supermarket, which the locals will surely appreciate and enjoy. Soon to open our Crabs and Cracks and Mang Inasal. And then the later part of the year, we'll expect to put up the second Jollibee here in Apalit. It's till the outside of the building. Inviting everyone to visit Jumbo Jenra Apalit. We're open today at 11:30. Expect many promotions, cheap prices, but of course,